Welcome to Gathered Makes. In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to make this origami crane. Start with a square piece of paper. If you're new to origami, it's often easier to use a slightly larger size until you get the hang of the folds. With the paper facing upwards, fold and unfold along the diagonals. Turn your paper over, and now, with the pattern side facing down, fold and unfold along the vertical and horizontal. With the reverse facing upwards, bring the corners together and collapse the paper into a square shape. In origami, this is known as a square base. With the open corner of the square facing down, fold the sides in to meet the centre line. Turn your paper over and repeat on the back to create a kite shape. Fold down the triangle at the top, crease and unfold. Continue to fold the triangle both ways, both in front and behind. This is preparation for the next step. Open the paper back up, then lift the bottom corner up using the fold you just made as the centre point. The sides will automatically fold inwards and you'll end up with this kind of elongated diamond shape. Turn the model over and repeat on the other side. With the open ends of the paper facing down, narrow the edges by bringing the sides in to meet the middle. Turn the model over and repeat on the other side. These two sections will form the neck and the tail. Fold them upwards and crease well. Using these creases, flip the neck inside out. To do this, fold it down again, open the paper and push the section upwards. Close the sides and flatten the creases. The direction of the folds will be reversed and the neck will be secured inside the wings. This is called a reverse fold. Repeat on the other side so it mirrors the first. This side will form the neck, and this side the tail. Roughly 1/3 of the way down the neck, pinch the paper, then flatten the end. Still keeping the bottom of the head pinched, push the top of the head down and inside itself. Then pinch the head closed to secure it in place. If you want, you can adjust the angle of the head by pulling it downwards and re-flattening the crease. All that's left to do now is to fold the wings down and crease to secure. If you'd like your origami crane to stand up, open the base of the neck and the tail just slightly to create some feet. If you've enjoyed this origami crane tutorial, head to gathered.how for lots of other origami projects. Don't forget to subscribe to the Gathered Makes YouTube channel. We love to see what you've been making, so be sure to tag us in your craft projects on social media. Goodbye for now!